Hi there. Today we're going to be making a really fun craft called Valentine's Day paper trees. What you're going to need is some construction paper, some glue or some tape, some coloring crayons or markers, and some scissors. Now this craft requires cutting, so it's important that you're very careful when using scissors, or you can ask an adult to help you with the steps that require cutting.
Hey guys, so for the very first step, you're gonna need some brown construction paper and some scissors. So we're gonna be cutting our construction paper into thin branches for our trees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a few of these papers, and I'll show you right now. All I'm doing is just cutting my branches, and we're gonna need like 6 or 7 of these. So or you can make as many as you want, but we're gonna need quite a few. So they're gonna be like this big, and I'll make one more just to show you guys. So again, you're gonna need a few, and just cutting it. It shouldn't be too thin or too thick. And so yeah, this size should be perfect. And yeah, so that's it. And then you'll add your leaves later on.
After you're done cutting out your thin pieces of brown construction paper for the branches, we're going to take the rest of our construction paper and cut out a thicker piece for the tree trunk. This is what it should look like.
Next, take a blue construction paper and glue or tape your thick brown strip onto the blue construction paper.
All right, so I have my thick piece of paper that makes the trunk and all these thin branches that we cut out in the earlier steps. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take each of these branches, and you can use either tape like I have or glue, and you're gonna stick just one end of it onto the big tree trunk. So I'm gonna take some tape here, cut off a little piece, go like that, and then just boom, glue it on just like that. And then I'll do the next piece, like so, glue it on here. I made 6 branches, but you can make however many you want. And don't worry if they're a little bit longer than your blue piece of construction paper that represents the sky, because as you'll see in the next step, you'll be twisting them so they'll actually get a lot shorter, and that's okay. So one more after this one, just like that. And last one, and there you go.
Now that you've glued your branches, grab the ends of each branch and twist it like this, and then take the end and glue it here. And then take this and stick it onto the page, and repeat it for all your other branches.
So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna draw some hearts on a piece of paper, your favorite color. So I really like pink, I'm gonna choose pink. Do a few hearts. Yeah. And then you're gonna write down the name of someone you love. So you can do mom, you can do your dad, maybe you have a sister you love, you write her name down, or your brother. And then you're gonna write down a sentence saying or why you love them. So I love my mom because she's a good cook. I love my dad because he taught me how to drive. I was not a very good student. And I love my sister because she's funny. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut them out. All right, so I have all my hearts here. And obviously I'm not a great artist, but this is what you do next. You're gonna take your hearts, you can put some glue on them, and then you're gonna glue them on the branches of your tree. So I'll put my sister one here, put the one about my mom in the middle. Dad will go right here. And there you go, there's your Valentine's tree.